Today we're actually doing something kind of fun. We're gonna try to go across the creek. Chucky's garage. Buick. Creek. Let's go. Headed into the forest now. Getting to where we're trying to go. Supposedly this place is pretty bad. I don't know nothing about it, never been there. I was told I wouldn't make it, so I'm gonna go try. Got my buddy John behind me. It's a part of beautiful Alabama that don't get seen a lot, but I thought I'd show y'all. It's nothing like a good dirt road heading into the forest. Just gets your blood pumping. Too bad I ain't got a heater in here, because you know, it's freezing. There's a little dip in the road. Oh, yeah, it's the bottom out. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Almost. Well, I believe we're here. The terrain got a lot different. I do not know how far we got to go in here. I don't know nothing. I was just told to come to a Y in the forest, and we went to the Y. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I saw fresh tracks. I was told this is kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, but we are here. I hope these little mud holes ain't what he was talking about, because if you would eat these up. This one's a little bigger. I wouldn't know. Make sure John gets through. Oh yeah. Tell me what y'all think about that old Camry. That Camry's pretty legit. Yeah, this stuff ain't nothing for this thing. You'll be surprised at what these cars will go through. Still pretty though. Yeah, these mud holes are cute, but these are the ones that'll get you though. All of a sudden you'll sink and there you are. Yeah, people drive around this one. We're gonna hit it. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get out and record these. Comes John in the Camry. He's gonna try the other side. Oh yeah. Well, let's go rescue this one. Sunk. Was deceiving. You hear that, guys? That's how us white boys roll. That twig's deceiving. And y'all want to know why I put a winch on the back? I'm gonna back up some more? No, because I want to get split crap. Might have to pour. There it comes. Guys, whenever you're winching, always make sure you're out of harm's way whenever it's pulling. You don't want to be on the other end of that if it breaks. That's why I'm hid behind this. Alright, so he's going to try to make it to this side now. You know, it's a beauty. Oh, oh. What I'm talking about. Send it. That's what we do, folks. Come on, make it. Ooh. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we got through all that, and supposedly that ain't even the hard spot. So now I'm getting a little more excited, because that was pretty fun. So, here we go. We had to put some oil in John's car. It shut off. You know, one of those things. Gotta have some oil in it. It's a pretty fun trail so far. But, we'll see what the next obstacle looks like. This is what happens when a Camry finally dies. You ever seen a gas burner roll coal like this? She gone. Oh yeah. That's to the floor, folks. And she's not doing it. We're just gonna keep cranking it. Killing mosquitoes. Yep, there she went. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, here's a dilemma. The Buick back there that you can't, oh yeah, there it is. It's dead. John here's Camry. It decided that it's tired of his right foot, and it's sticking a clank, 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 clank sound. You know. So we're cautiously sitting here on a forest road, admiring nature, looking at birds, freezing to death. What we're doing, but so the Buick's dead. Camry's gonna be dead. At least he's got another car. So if any of y'all 152 people that find it smart enough to watch me wanna, you know, send me some idea or something you got for sale, I appreciate it. But until then, we're gonna walk this lonely road for about 14 miles, and that's about it.